Hi friends, hello viewers, once again welcome back to Teresa Joseph's kitchen. Today I brought a recipe of coconut chutney, how to cook very simple pattern. I have to take a 1 cup of chopped, sliced coconut, fresh coconut you have to take always, and take 1 tablespoon of groundnut, roasted one, we have to roast it before, and daliya, this is dal. This is a daliya, we'll say, roasted daliya. We have to take it 1 tablespoon and take a herb. I've taken the brazil. You can take any kind of brazils varieties are there, and you can take a pudina also, and coriander leaves, any herbs you can take it. I've taken the brazil, and I've taken the 2 cloves also for the digestion purpose, is very good, and salt as per the taste. Let's start the process. Take the mixie jar, put the coconuts inside the jar, and green chilli is an optional. You can, if you are if you want to add, you can add it. I'm not adding the green chilli. Daliya, putnala pappu, they'll say in south. Porikadala, that this daliya, and then groundnut, salt tablespoon is enough. Yes, 2 teaspoon is enough. That's according to our taste. There's 2 cloves also, and add a 2 tablespoon of water for grinding. Let's close it. Let's grind. Make a sideways. Then for the tadaka, let's see the tadaka. See, after grinding, it looks like this. Let's take in one bowl. I'll show you how to make the tadakas also. Let's take like this vessel. Let's start our tadka. It will be very yum. Let's start it. Let's on the stove and take 2 tablespoons of oil. Let's 2 tablespoons of oil. Let's take. Let's do the tadka. See, this is the base. This is the chutney. I made it. We'll do the tadka and we'll show to you. I'll show after making the tadka. So after putting the oil in a pan, let's put the mustard seed. Let's put the urad dal and chena dal little. And let's put the jeera little. That's it. That's it. And put red chili, dried red chili, curry leaves, is all. Okay, just stop it. That's enough. After splitting, just you have to add it. See, if you want the liquid, little bit liquidy if you want, add the water little bit in a paste. In this paste, little bit water. It should be how according to your chutney you can make it. And onion also, while seasoning time you can add it. Tadka time you can add the onions also. Green chili also grinding time. That is your optional. This two I'm not adding it. And herbs is very good. That is a tip, main tip I'm using. Beloved, this types of things, this will not affect anything for kids also. And chilies are also very less, just for the flavor. Red chilies we are using it, and that's it. Just switch off the flame and just add this tadka into this bowl. Our yummy coconut chutney is ready. And when we are making the tadka, I said no, so little water. During that time, the chutney also should add in that time itself. So the pattern is according to the our style. It comes. So this is the yam coconut chutney is ready to serve now. It's very yum. Mix it well when you are serving. Due to kids enjoys well this kinds of chutney. That's what. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like it, thumbs up, share, and click the bell icon for the further notification. Thanks for watching and thanks for encouraging me. Please try my recipe and post if any recipes are there yours. I'll be posting. Thanks a lot for Teresa Josephine Kitchen to watch. Bye. See you in the next video.